Hey, how you doing? This is me with my pop-on veneers review. So I've had them, I want to say about 2 weeks, and they maybe a little more actually. I don't even notice them anymore. So they are amazing. My dealing with the company has been great. Their service is top notch. As soon as you place the order, they send you the impression kit. The impression kit is super easy to do as long as you follow the instructions, and there's so many types of instructions, written, video, whatever you need. They're there to support you. Super easy to do. You just have to follow the instructions, as I said earlier. So this is my smile without the veneers. As you can see, I'm missing teeth here, one here, and one here. I'm also missing back here. So yeah, it's okay. I was smiling like this a lot, but that didn't work. So then I got hold of pop-on veneers, and I got my impression kit in the mail. They come in this little container right here. As you can see, they're right here. And then they become easier to put on. When I first did them, I had a little trouble because I wasn't used to them. But now they go on pretty easy. Here we go. Did you hear that pop? And I'll put on the bottoms now. And there you go. That's it. And now you can see my beautiful smile. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Look at that. And they look like they're my teeth. Everyone in my job is amazed at my new smile. They say I have $1 million smile now. So yeah, everyone is... No one has thought that they're fake at all. I asked a few people and they were like, no, they do not look cheap. They do not look plastic. They look like your teeth. And I agree. Pop-on veneers, it was definitely the solution for me because the work that I needed, I don't have the money right now. So the cost was totally worth it. Some people think that it was a lot of money when I told them about it, and no, it's actually not when you think about what you're getting. So yeah, this is me and my new smile. I love it. So thank you, Pop-on Veneers. If you're hesitating or thinking about doing it, just do it. I'm telling you, it's the best thing I ever did. Look at that. All right. Have a great day.